The Electrical Department of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, which is affiliated to MSBT Mumbai, recognized by DTE and approved by AICT New Delhi, welcome to prospect students. What is Electrical Engineering program? Electrical Engineering is a 3 years professional diploma course. Electrical engineering concerns the science and technology related to generating, transmitting, distributing, and consuming electrical energy for the benefits of mankind. Our future responsibility is to achieve this in a safe, sustainable, environmentally being, and cost effective way. Why electrical engineering? Imagine a world without computers, mobile, telephones, the internet, electricity. That is where we would be without electrical engineering. Electrical engineering underpins a significant part of modern society and will shape the future. Electrical engineering job represents over 25% of all available jobs in engineering. In India, 40% of the government jobs are from electrical engineering sector. A electrical engineering student can enter into job market of computer, electronics and telecommunication, control system, robotics. But any branch of other engineering student cannot enter into the electrical engineering job market. Other than conventional electrical engineering, jobs like power generation, transmission, distribution, manufacturing, and utilization sectors, electrical engineers are well positioned to address a variety of the crucial engineering issues facing societies today. The major milestones of the electrical department. The department started from 2010-11 and now academic year 2020-21 the intake capacity of the department is 90. Teaching learning process. The department offers interactive and encouraging atmosphere using innovative learning aids like smart classroom for easy understanding, practically relevant learning, industry oriented learning, and individual attention to students. Information about subject taught in electrical department. Electrical engineering is a 3 years 6 semester diploma course. So in first year there are two semester, that is first semester and second semester. In first semester you learn basic mathematics, basic science, English. In second semester you learn fundamentals of electrical engineering, basic electronics engineering, applied mathematics, basic mechanical engineering, and applied science. Same in second year also there are two semester, third semester and fourth semester. These are the subject you learn in third semester and in fourth semester. After end of second year, college provide 6 weeks industrial training in various industries. Then finally in third year also there are two semester, fifth semester and sixth semester. These are the subjects you learn in fifth semester and you learn in sixth semester. Our students are placed in some of the most reputed and well electrical companies like Microtech, Mangoes Hotel, Oberoi Hotels, Reliance Energy, etc. Also, our students are doing job in maximum and well reputed, well known companies like Adani, L&T, Tata Power, MSEB, ONGC, Siemens, Crompton Greaves, Otis, Anchor, etc. Scope and career opportunities in electrical engineering. Electrical engineering has a wide career opportunity in sectors like electronics, power corporation, IT consultants, communication technology, etc. Some of the major hiring companies in India are BHEL, ONGC, L&T, TCS, Siemens, Tata Power, etc. Apart from private jobs, the scope for government job is also higher for people from an engineering background. And electrical engineers learns everything from beginning, right from the small circuit to large power motors. If we talk of defense services, electrical engineers provide services like equipment building services, repairing services, power supplying services, etc. Electrical engineer established its own business like electrical hardware. Also, electrical engineers take wiring contract after getting wireman, supervisor and contractor license. The department offers well-equipped laboratories, smart and spacious classroom and laboratories. The laboratories in electrical departments are AC machine, DC machine lab, switchgear lab, power electronics lab, electrical and electronic measurement lab, testing of electrical equipment labs, electrical circuit lab, workshop, drawing hall, audio and video room. These are infrastructure of the electrical department. In electrical department, each lab is maintained by lab assistants. All the practicals are performed under the lab assistant and the faculty. Each lab has multiple setups for individual performs. Safety measures includes fire extinguisher, rubber mats laid in all labs. Electrical department gives industrial vacation training to each and every student in well-known industries like MSCB, BST, Arva, Zenith, Aero Engineering, etc. These are some photographs of the industrial vacation training. Electrical department arrange industrial visits in each semester to understand how engineers are work in industries. Also, department arrange industry expert lecture related to subject for improving the industrial practical knowledge of the student. Electrical department organize many technical events like workshop, paper presentation, technical quiz, project competition, technical poster making, micro project competitions. Maximum students from our department participated in various technical events organized by different colleges and they won the many prizes in this event. Like one group of the final year participate in project competition which is organized by NIT Kolkata and they got rupees 17,000. One group of final year winner in project competition organized by Deepex and they got 5,000 rupees. MNRE is ready to give help for project which is prepared by one group of final year. These are the students' achievements. Final year project, the ultimate test of engineering student. These are this activity of the student. For admission and further details, visit college website that is www.prppolytechnic.com.